Have you ever stopped to ponder why the ocean never overflows? How the same droplets of water that quench your thirst today could have once been part of a snowflake in Antarctica or a rain cloud over the Sahara? The answer lies in the magical journey of water through our planet, a process known as the water cycle. Imagine, if you will, a warm, sunny day by the sea. The heat from the sun warms the surface of the ocean, causing water to evaporate into the air. This invisible vapor, lighter than air, rises high into the sky. This is the first step of the water cycle, the process of evaporation. As the vapor ascends, it encounters cooler air. The change in temperature causes the vapor to transform back into tiny droplets of liquid water. This process, called condensation, forms clouds in the sky. Each cloud is a magnificent airborne reservoir, holding millions of droplets suspended in the atmosphere. Eventually, the droplets within the clouds combine and grow. When they become too heavy to float in the air, they fall back to the earth as precipitation. This can take the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and conditions. The water that falls to the earth doesn't just disappear, of course. Some of it flows along the surface in rivers and streams. Some seeps into the ground, replenishing underground aquifers. And some of it ends up back where it started, in the oceans, lakes, and other bodies of water. This returning of water to its source is the final step of the water cycle, known as collection. And once the water is back where it began, the whole process starts again. And so, the water cycle continues, unending and eternal. It's a beautiful, complex system that ensures the Earth's water supply is constantly being cleaned, recycled, and redistributed. To summarize, the water cycle consists of 4 main stages. Evaporation, where heat turns water into vapor. Condensation, where cooling air transforms vapor back into liquid. Precipitation, where water falls back to Earth. And collection, where water returns to its source. This cycle, which has been going on for billions of years, is vital for life on Earth. It's the reason we have fresh water to drink, rain to water our crops, and oceans that don't overflow. It's the reason why the same water that falls as rain today might evaporate from a leaf tomorrow, or flow in a river next week. So, next time you take a sip of water, remember the incredible journey it's been on. From the ocean to the sky and back again, every drop of water tells a story of the water cycle. Isn't it amazing how the planet has its own natural way of recycling water? It's a reminder that nature, in its wisdom, has systems in place to maintain balance and sustain life. And it's a testament to the interconnectedness of everything on Earth. After all, the water cycle isn't just about water. It's about the sun and heat, the wind and weather, the land and its contours. It's about the whole Earth system working together in perfect harmony. And isn't that a refreshing thought?